Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove tagged photos on Facebook, timeline cleanup step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on a computer and log into your account. Tap your profile picture or click your name to open your profile page. Find and open the Photos section on your profile. Select the tab called Photos of You or Tagged Photos depending on what you see. Scroll to locate the photo you want to remove from your timeline. Tap the photo to open it in full view. Look for the three dots menu in the top corner of the photo screen. Tap the three dots to open the photo options. Choose the option that says Remove Tag. Confirm the action if Facebook asks you to confirm. Go back to your profile and check that the photo is no longer showing as tagged on your timeline. Repeat the same steps for any other tagged photo you want to remove. If you want more control, open Settings and Privacy from the menu. Tap Settings to enter your account settings. Scroll to Profile and Tagging Settings. Under Reviewing, find Review Posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Turn this option on to approve future tagged posts before they show up on your timeline. Also enable review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Return to Profile and Tagging and look for the Audience and Visibility options. Set who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile to a safer option like Friends or Only Me if available. Now open Activity Log from your profile menu if you want to manage many items faster. In Activity Log, tap Filters or Categories to narrow results. Select activity you're tagged in to view all tagged posts and photos together. Open a tagged photo entry and choose Remove Tag to clean it from your profile. Use the same screen to hide items from your profile when removal is not available. If the photo is harmful or private, open the photo options and select Find Support or Report Photo. Choose the report reason that best matches your situation and submit the report. After cleanup, revisit your profile to confirm your timeline looks the way you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.